back to my channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, a step-by-step guide on your visa process. Now you guys must be thinking of the country, so I'm giving you the insight of all the countries. Amazing. So if you're struggling with the visa process and not getting a proper guidance, then this video is for you. So note down all the steps and also I'll help you with the entire visa process. So watch the video till the end. So let's go. First step is check your passport. Yes, before you start this visa application process, you need to make sure the passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. If it's not, please visit your country's passport office to renew it as soon as possible. So step 2 is research visa requirements. The next step is to research the visa requirements for the country where you plan to study. Every country has different visa rules and regulations, so it's difficult for you to know their rules. Visit the official website of the country embassy to get accurate and up-to-date information. So our third step is choose the right visa type. Once you understand the visa requirements, select the type of visa you need. Common visa types for student are student visa, exchange student visa, or the temporary resident visa. Carefully review the eligibility criteria and choose the visa that fits for your study plan. So our fourth step is prepare the required documents. Now that you know the visa type, collect all the important documents. This includes your acceptance letter from the institution, proof of financial support, a valid passport size photo, and sometimes a medical certificate or a proof of health insurance. Make sure to have all these documents in order before proceeding. So our first step is complete your application form. Once you have all the required documents, it's time to fill the application form. Now you can usually find this form on the official website of the embassy. Pay attention to the instructions and fill out the form properly. Double check the information before submitting it because you might not get the chance to edit it. So our sixth step is pay the application fee. Visa applications requires a fee, so be prepared to pay it. The amount and payment method vary with the countries and type of visa. So check the official website for the specific details. Keep a copy of the payment receipt as a proof for your records. So our seventh step is schedule an interview. Depending on the country and the type of visa, you may need to schedule an interview. This interview is an opportunity for the embassy to check your eligibility and ask you any additional questions. Follow the instruction provided and prepare accordingly. Also, this is not compulsory with all the countries, so check if your country is asking for an interview or not. Step 8. Submit your application. Finally, it's time to submit your application. Make sure you have all the required documents, including your application form and any supporting material. Also, keep a soft copy of all the documents. Double check everything if it is correct. You may need to submit your application in person or through a designated visa application center. This depends on your country. Step 9. Track your application. After submitting your application, you'll receive a tracking number or a reference code. Use this to track the status of your application online. It's important to you to stay updated and check any additional requirements from the embassy. Step 10. Collect your visa. Once your visa application is approved, you will receive your visa either by email or in person. Congratulations! You're one step closer to your study abroad. Remember to carefully read and understand the visa conditions and validity period as well. Wait. Where are you going? Are you forgetting something? Well, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions, please comment down below. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.